What happens when do not disturb mode is on iPhone? In this video, I'm going to show you what happens when the do not disturb mode is currently on the iPhone. So ensure you subscribe and watch what I'm going to show you right now. This video is basically for educational purpose only. So I'm going to swipe down my screen right. So the do not disturb is currently on. Whenever the do not disturb is currently on your iPhone, it's going to automatically disable all the notification, right? So if I click on it, you can see. If I off it, right, you can see before I on it, you're gonna be told that it's gonna silence all the notifications, right? So it can silence it for 1 hour, it can silence it until tomorrow, right? So you can just select anywhere you want to select, right, from your own desired choice. So when the do not disturb mode is currently on the iPhone, it's gonna silence all the notifications. This is basically what happens when the do not disturb is on. If you found this video, I will share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you on the very next video.